Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Life Made Easy, and today I'm going to be doing a first impressions and just an overview of the new Galaxy S10 lineup coming out. Let's get right into it.
Yeah, I'm like, oh god, oh my god.
Hey guys, before the video starts, make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and also check out my merch store and my Discord. Let's go. Okay guys, today's shout out will be going to a guy named Jamie De Vlucht. I don't know if I said that right. I may have. Seems to be uploading some gaming content here. He's got Minecraft, some playing game, and then Fortnite. Okay, he has 252 total views, 36 subscribers, no about page. So guys, go subscribe to his channel, check him out. If you want a free shout out, just hit that notification bell as well as use my Fortnite code, which will be linked in the description. Now let's get into the video. Okay guys, so Samsung had its Unlocked event, I believe. I watched some of it earlier today, in which they were going over some of their new future products coming out. One of them that I saw was the Galaxy Fold, which was a foldable smartphone that they're coming out with. I believe it's like a 4.7-inch display, and then you unfold it, and it's a 7.3-inch, 7.2-inch, somewhere around there. So it's like tablet size. So that was pretty cool. But in this video, I'm just going to be going over the Galaxy S10 lineup. To start off, they are coming out with 3 new Galaxy S10 devices, kind of like what iPhone did with the iPhone 10 or 10, 10s, 10s Max, and 10R. So they're coming out with 2 flagships and then one that is a kind of like budget phone, kind of like the 10R. So they have Galaxy S10, Galaxy S10 Plus, and Galaxy S10e. I don't really know what the E stands for. I know MKBHD said it stands for economy. I don't know, it could stand for anything, honestly, but it's a budget phone. So let me just go through here. So right off the bat, as you can see, biggest feature of this phone, just hardware-wise, is the little cutout for the camera on the top right of every device. Now, I don't know if they have a picture of the S10 Plus here. Maybe not. Maybe not. It's just showing S10s right here. But for the S10 Plus, it actually has 2 cameras on the front, so the cutout's a little bigger. Just keep that in mind. So this is in, I think it's a 19:9 aspect ratio. I don't think it's 18:9. I think it's slightly taller. So as you can see, it has a little cutout for the camera. Fills up the entire screen, or fills out the entire front of the phone. It has a small chin at the bottom, but that's like really minor. Okay, so Galaxy A10 will give you more detail, blah blah. Yeah, Super AMOLED display. Galaxies always have the best displays. This is a new feature, which is the under-screen fingerprint sensor. They no longer have the fingerprint sensor on the back, which is a good placement, but now they have it under the screen. Honestly, not sure why they did that. They could have kept it on the back, but whatever. Maybe they're just trying to become future-proof. So it has an Ultrasonic Fingerprint Id, which is pretty cool. I don't think it uses the same technology as other in-screen, under-the-screen fingerprint sensors. I think those like flash a light on your fingerprint, kind of like take a picture of it to recognize it. Blah blah blah. And it recognizes peaks and valleys. And right here, this is a really cool feature that they're coming out with, is the like wireless charging sort of thing. It comes with wireless charging. Once again, the only difference is that you can now wirelessly charge other things using your device, as in you can turn your phone into a wireless charger. So if you have headphones that charge wirelessly, or anything else, or another smartphone that charges wirelessly, you can charge that using your phone, and it has to be Qi compatible right here, which is pretty nice. Camera, obviously, camera's gonna get a slight improvement. Has the variable aperture. I think it's 1.5, 2.4. So that's coming back. And the only difference is here is that with the S10, S10 Plus, you're actually getting triple cameras. One's a telephoto, one's a normal view, and then one's a ultra wide 120-degree angle. So blah blah blah. Epic Shot emulates. I think they improved their shutter speed just because I know that was an issue on the S9. I think it's now HDR10 certified, so it kind of like corrects the image for you. A lot of like AI image processing going on S10. HDR settings set your offer off. The S10 will fix your kit lenses ultra wide. Yep. Okay, so it's 123 degrees, so it was close. Look good in any light. Yeah, so here are the variable apertures. It can helps with taking night photos. I think that was a plus of having these, is that night mode is definitely better, and taking pictures in low light is definitely improved. Battery life's a huge change. I believe on the S10 Plus you're getting a 4100 milliamp hour battery, which is enormous. On the S10, I'm not quite sure. Let me Google that for you guys. Okay, so here it is. On the smaller S10 is 3400 milliamp hour battery. 3400 milliamp hour battery. So that's bigger than the S9 original. The S9 had a 3000 milliamp hour battery, and the S9 Plus had a 3500. So this is definitely a big improvement. And then the S10e, which is the budget phone, has a 3100 milliamp hour battery, which is also still bigger than the S9, smaller version. Let me just go back to this. So stay on track. Bixby. Okay, so obviously Bixby is going to get a slight improvement. It always does. And another big feature is that they're bringing One UI to this, but they're also bringing that to the S9, I believe, and maybe the S8. I'm not sure, depending on how efficient Samsung is with its updates. It's usually really bad. And then storage options have been really improved here. They're now like offering a bunch of variations when it comes to RAM and kind of like hard drive space. They have you can go up to 512 gigabytes of internal storage, and I believe you can get the S10 Plus in a terabyte version. I think maxed out you get terabyte and 12 gigs of RAM. I think the base is 8 gigs. Which is insane. I don't know why you need that much storage on your phone. So yeah, those are the major changes. It still has stereo speakers, I believe. It still has the Bixby button. A lot of similar stuff. Just the main differences were the 3 triple cameras, the new hole punch out, and I think the fingerprint, and as well as like the memory size is a huge difference. So guys, with this video, this video is going to come to an end. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. I hope you learned something new about the Galaxy S10. If you did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for that free shout out. Go use my Fortnite code linked below in the Fortnite item shop. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.